This far up the river, the biggest thing you're likely to see is the size of your forearm. Give or take.
Watch this. And this. And this one's my favorite. It's better to grow one day at a time, to make small increments, and to be consistent. These 3 clips, 3 sentences I typed, I didn't generate any of that from nothing. I took footage I already had and I changed the whole world around me without touching me. Here's what you just saw. My face didn't change. My voice didn't change. The way I was walking, the way I reacted, all real, all me. But the world around me got rewritten like a movie scene. No green screen, no VFX team, no reshoot. I just typed what I wanted and it happened. Quiet on set. Come on everyone. Lights, camera, action. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how inside Dzine using Google's new Gemini Omni Flash model through 2 tools, Video Modify and Video Reference. And I'll show you the one thing this model does better than any other AI out there right now. And by the end, you'll be able to do this with the clip already sitting on your phone. Now picture, how could you have done that if you could even do it? But imagine you could. The flood shot, you need a studio, a water tank, a budget with a comet in it. You'd need a film set or weeks in After Effects with 40 layers dragging keyframes until 1 in the morning. So for most of us, those shots were simply off the table. You wanted the big idea, but you shot the safe, boring version because the big version cost more than the whole project was worth. The reason I'm telling you this is because that ceiling just disappeared. Let's start with the tool doing all that heavy lifting. Video Modify. You upload a real clip, you type in what you want changed. That's the whole job. So here's that Westminster clip again. In this instance with the footage from Westminster, it is an AI generated image and video in the first place, but this could just as easily be a real piece of video footage that I'm beginning with here. Look at how the water moves. It pulls in the low spots, it climbs the curb, the light goes grey and wet, and it behaves like real water because the model actually understands the world it's editing. That's not a filter slapped on top, it's the scene rebuilt. But not every job is a disaster movie. So let me show you the bread and butter ones that pay your invoices. Here's a clip of me holding a jar of jam. If this were a can of Coke instead of Aunt Sue's jam, I would drink it and it would be so refreshing. And I type replace the jar of jam with this product and drop in a photo of the real thing. Same hand, same grip, same lighting, new product. That's a finished product ad with no studio booked. If this were a can of Coke instead of Aunt Sue's jam, I would drink it and it would be so refreshing. So it's me again and I type change the outfit to a tropical shirt and shorts. Keep the face, pose and change the background to a tropical beach. So we've got a new wardrobe, the same human, and that's a fashion variation you didn't shoot. It's better to grow one day at a time, to make small increments and to be consistent. And my favorite, for content, I type restyle the whole clip as a Pixar-style 3D animation. Keep the motion, the timing and the framing the same. Same performance, brand new world. One clip, 2 completely different videos. Better to grow one day at a time, to make small increments and to be consistent. Now here's the rule that separates the clean results from the messy ones. You have to tell what you want to keep. Gemini Omni Flash locks everything you don't mention and changes only what you ask. So if you don't protect your face, your walk, your product, it could drift. Every strong prompt has 2 halves, the change you want and the keep that's exactly the same. Look back at every line I typed, they all end the same way. Same both halves every time. That one habit is the difference between a gimmick and a tool you'd hand a paying client. So let me be straight with you, because hype helps nobody. Omni is not the only AI that can touch real footage anymore. Other big models are doing versions of this now too. We've had tools like Kling and Runway that can edit real clips as well. And I'm not going to pretend this is the only door in the building. So why does it earn the title? Because of the one thing it does better than anything else out there. It keeps the real you locked while it rebuilds the entire world around you. So let's go back to that river clip. The monster's roar, the splash, the way the light bends off the water, all generated together in one pass. So it actually feels like one moment. And me, my face, my voice, the lack of reaction, completely untouched.
This far up the river, the biggest thing you're likely to see is the size of your forearm. Give or take.
Google's own head-to-head tests back this up. When it comes to real speech and real performance, Omni comes out in front. That's the part the others still fumble. You stay real, the world goes wild, and you direct the whole thing with a sentence. So that's how you change a clip. But there's a second tool, and it fixes the one thing AI video has always been embarrassingly bad at: consistency. You make one great shot of a character, the next shot their face is shifted. Different nose, different jacket, it's a stranger. AI's broken this forever, and it's exactly why brands didn't trust it. AI video reference fixes it. You feed it reference images, a person, a product, a style, several at once, and then you describe the new shot and it builds that video that holds the exact identity. So here's a photo of a character. I describe 3 different scenes: walking into an office, sitting in a cafe, waving on a rooftop, same character every time, same face, same colors, same feel, and the sound comes built in. The footsteps, the room, a voice that matches the mouth. This is how a small brand finally gets a mascot that's the same in every ad, and how a creator builds a character that runs across a whole series. The reason I'm showing you this consistency was the wall everyone hit. This walks straight through it. Now watch them combine. Start with AI video reference to lock your character or your product. Then drop that clip into video modify to change the world around it. The flood, the Roman street, the new background, the animation, one photo in, a finished, on-brand, cinematic shot out. No 4-tool juggling, no switching apps, all in Dzine in one place. So Google Omni's video reference mode inside of Dzine is found at the bottom here. Then you need to choose reference, and then you have your video choice of models here, Gemini Omni Flash model. And in here you can choose your references for your shot. So I've got my character and my bag of coffee reference. So I have this video built into 5 shots, and this is the first shot, a tight close-up, depth of field, the man from the reference, and in here I just put at and choose the man, lifts the matte black Act coffee bag, and I'll put at and choose the coffee bag, and pause them on the counter and presses the button. And then you've got 16:9, 720 and 10 seconds. In this mode of reference, you can only do 720, but you can always upscale with the tools that they have within Dzine. Over here on the left, we have enhance and upscale, where you can bring videos in and upscale them all the way up to 8K.
AT coffee, for those mornings when you feel like doing anything but act.
2 honest things, because I don't want to oversell you. Clips run short right now, around 10 seconds. So for longer pieces, you have to stitch a few together on the timeline. And every video carries Google's invisible SynthID watermark. So it's always clear it was made with AI. That's not a catch though. That's the responsible way to use this. And good clients will respect that you know it. And in fact, I think to even use it AI video in Europe right now, having that kind of watermark on is going to give the ability to actually use this legally. So here's what to do right now. While it's fresh, open Dzine, go to Video AI, try video modify on one clip you already have, just one. Flood your street, change your outfit, put something behind you that shouldn't be there. The first time you watch your own footage transform from a sentence you typed, that's the moment this clicks. The link to start is below. Go change something real.